Let's start. Recorded, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, good afternoon and assalamu alaikum, everybody. So I'm sharing the slides, then we'll start. Sharing screen. Okay. Okay, so this is quality training, awareness training number 10, and topic is Manifestation ITP for backfilling works. I'm Rezaur Rahman, Senior PVC Engineer at Al-Handasah Consultant, Shair and Partners. What is what? So as I told you before that this training session is not only one way. It should be open discussion because a lot of issues are happening at site and everybody should hear. We hope that everybody should know the requirements, project requirements. And this training is not only project related. It should be, I hope that if you discuss together openly, everybody you will enhance building the capacity of the knowledge. Huh? Okay. If you have more knowledge, that means you have more control. You have more clear about the requirements. Huh? Okay. So I'm first, I'm going to the next slide. That is not going. Okay, so as usual, first I want to tell you that quality is not an act. This is a quality code. Quality is not an act. It is a habit. Huh? So make sure that it is part of our habit or attitude. Not only to, it is mentioned in the specification, mentioned in the drawing, we probably no. Quality is everywhere. Huh? Even your family, your surrounding friends, quality is, should be by habit. Huh? Okay. Second thing is safety codes. Think safe, work safe, be safe. Wherever you are, inside project, outside project, make sure that you, your family, your health is safe. You're safe and your health is safe. Third one is sustainability environmental code. Go green, save our planet. This is very important. You know, global warming, greenhouse effect. We don't know after 100 years we can live in the world or not. No? So, in a future generation, we have to make and make sure that world is safe for our next generation, future generation. Okay. Next one, as well, method statement. You everybody know that method statement is basically step-by-step procedures of the site activity. In this case, we'll know that how to carry out the site. ITP, everybody will know. I'm just giving going very fast. ITP is the inspection testing plan. It will tell that which inspection and which testing must be conducted and which is optional or witness. I'll go next, then it will be clear. Inspection point, whole point means, anybody tell what is whole point? When you see ITP whole point, what is the meaning of whole point?
WR is required.
They have to hold on.
They cannot continue without inspection.
Without inspection.
Exactly. Yeah. So whole point means contractor must submit. Contractor must submit WIR. Huh? And without approval of this WIR, they cannot proceed for the next activity. Witness, witness, what is the meaning of witness? Can you tell anybody? Anybody? Witness is basically third party, third party testing. Third party testing, this should be WIR also, WIR, okay? But contractors and consultants, attendance or presence is not mandatory. If we attend, good. If we don't attend, third party will go for the testing, okay? So that's why it is independent third party. Independent means that no relationship between any stakeholder, means contractor, consultant, or okay. R means review. Review means document review, shop drawing, engineer is doing shop drawing, all review, documentary review, method statement. So what is a review? It is a review. Surveillance, anybody can tell what is surveillance?
Without request.
Yeah, you have right to inspect anywhere in site.
Without inspection.
Okay. WR tagging sheet. This is a very good sheet. Everybody is requested to check this WR tagging sheet. Last week, I believe we distributed to everybody, all locations. Have you checked anybody that any WR missing or not? Yeah, just check. Just check. Because contractor, we already installed contractor. Contractor must update and send to us every weekly. It is around Tuesday.
That we pass surveyor also. Because we didn't get this sheet.
Okay, engineer, make sure that all surveyors, inspectors should be included in the email. I believe it is already included. Just check. So here he will see that empty. If you see white means it is not submitted. Blue means is approved. Yellow means I believe approved comments. So if you see this at a glance, within half a second,
Is it update or?
it is just sample. It's just sample.
Once you receive.
But when you receive actual, you will see lot of cells.
Not possible if the share update, like this, any tracking sheet, we will compare to, area, there how much remaining. there.
Yeah, yesterday he shared engineer 222 remaining, I think, WR.
Mhm.
But it's not like this. It's less in our system, I think, 40 or 50 like this. He
For-
sent the report 220 plus
Who sent?
pending the WRs.
And the review you're talking.
No WR.
Pending
With us
to be
pending.
submitted from them. Still not submitted. from them.
220, how it possible? That's
Okay,
more
pending from contractor.
From our
Means,
side.
means advance inspection done
Yeah.
Pending
No,
means
no,
from
no.
our side to release or from conduct.
To release from our side.
or under review actually, basically under review. Under review.
More
These are the-
120 is not, it's more, I think.
See,
Okay,
some
yeah.
you people have commented, it's waiting for a year.
Okay, this I want to tell actually, as per all the requirement. Yeah.
Please, Mr. Hassan.
Imtiaz, yeah.
Mr. Hassan. Please.
Okay, so as per all the requirement, all WR must be replied in 2 days. Otherwise, KPI will have less score. Hmm.
But
So
sometimes,
that's why.
we are waiting for material engineer. They are not released.
Our material engineer, right?
3 days.
Our
Our
material
material-
engineer.
That's why, coordinate with our internal team. Internally as a team to reply a year within 2 days. It is possible. But for my review, I found that material inspector, almost same time they're releasing. Most of them are here. That
But I
And
think
then, you know, our.
For big-
no, 2 days. 2 days.
2 days, huh?
MIR, WR 2 days.
Maybe.
Otherwise, will not get
Yeah,
score.
yeah.
Yeah.
They are submit, maybe today we are.
Walid,
by the
welcome.
time they are
Yeah.
released.
Welcome on this one. But
Okay, so that's why actually ARE should be here. What is engineer Gaffer here?
No,
Okay, engineer Omar, just set the message to engineer Gaffer.
Okay.
ARE should lead. Actually, now in the department, there is no RE.
Okay.
No RE means ARE is acting RE.
Okay.
It's very clear. So you are the boss of this U discipline.
Yes.
You should lead your team to get the approval or whatever the reply within 2 days. So see
Many
to it.
time I came to these
Okay.
people, ask all them, I
Okay.
push them.
See to engineer Omar, I suggest see to the all the inspectors on the material.
Only Zishan and this Sharaf.
Mhm.
These people and the
10%.
Okay. So see to it.
the other okay.
other is like sometimes little bit sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, actually, the inspector
They are
release,
not release this.
inspector release sent to material inspector.
No.
This then stop there. And what
No,
I will
okay,
do-
can you tell me?
We are stopped, if we
I
are
don't
stopped
know
with us,
material.
we are
Okay.
involved.
Okay, Imtiaz. Now one lady I gave the task.
Okay.
She will do 4.
Okay.
First, for example, DC.
Yes.
How many days she delayed or
Okay.
he or she? Okay.
Okay.
Then it will come to inspector.
Yes.
How many days he took?
Okay.
Then it will come back to surveyor.
Okay.
Surveyor, how many days he took? Then it will be material inspector.
Is
How
it-
many days? Then ARE.
Yes.
So this picture will be very clear. It will be
Yes,
started
okay.
maybe within 2 days.
Okay.
Then it will be started who is actually delaying.
Okay.
It will be very clear. Huh? Okay.
Okay.
We'll implement this one then. But as a general, I'm telling you, work as a team because, Fuzzy will come. Okay.
Welcome.
Make sure that within 2 days, WR must be, WR and MR must be replied.
Okay.
Okay. And everybody requested to check this WR tagging sheet. Walid, you received this tagging sheet, right? Okay. So everybody is requested to check that it is updated or not. Maybe our contact is Alibaba.
Yeah.
Putting random some and if we're not checking, they will they will do some. So make sure randomly check some WIRs and make sure it is done. Next, this every training I'm doing, so it will go very fast. Code A, code B, code C, code D, code E, code E, QA rejected. Anybody has any confusion about the code?
No.
Okay, so just one information I want to give: don't give any code D. If any code D, we cannot reply and we cannot hand over the project. So whatever the code D, it is basically code E. Whatever the irrelevant of the project or you think that is rejected, it should be code E.
What if the
I believe
document
no.
they have submitted is irrelevant?
Sorry,
If
Code
the
E.
document they have submitted is
then it will code E.
irrelevant,
Just right that your documents is found irrelevant. Okay,
and the code
Then
E
it will-
information.
Huh?
No,
Something irrelevant can, how can it be information?
See, if any documents you wanted them to not to revise and resubmit, make it code. See.
What
If you
about
want to-
WIR?
Same, everything.
No, I am telling RO more clearly if one is correct. So if any, what is telling that any documents or any submission can be revised or resubmit, can be rectifiable, then put code C.
Okay.
But it is totally irrelevant. For example, you have to submit for material waterproofing. You submitted basically glazing work. So totally irrelevant actually. Then it should be information. Okay. For example, surveying chairman, WR submitted. This is not required actually in our scope actually. It's not in the project scope. Then it will be code E. But for example, these same documents contractor can revise and resubmit. For example, they can do it, then put C.
Where we can,
But there is no code D.
where we can use the code D? What is the mean of code D in given?
Code D means like, if you don't want to see the same documents,
Yeah.
the contractor should revise and resubmit. And you feel that I don't want to see it again, so make it code D, but in code D, they cannot revise and resubmit.
It is a problem actually. Yeah.
At the end, and
Some
during the
doc-
handover,
yeah,
it will be
exactly.
the same.
Exactly.
And it will affect KPIs.
Yeah.
To avoid that effect, avoid the KPI effect, we are making code E.
Code E. It is already agreed with Aldar. Because code D you cannot reply. Then we have to send the letter to remove this one. No? Okay. So I hope that everybody is Walid, you are clear. Code.
It's a conditional condition approving, approve it in WIR. There give the code A or code B.
Now, if any conditional, for example, if any small or big non-compliance,
Yeah.
it should be B. More non-compliance, it should be C. But if you don't have any comment, only for generic comment, you cannot give. It should be A.
Yes.
Straightforward. Aldar encouraged to give status A more. If any, for example, cleaning should be done, this one should be done, should be according to the project specification, this generic comment. This should be code A. For example, river spacing is not correct. Then it should be B.
Suppose they are laying the pipe, there is a WIR assignment. They are remaining testing short period, short level like this.
Could be.
Could be.
The code B.
Could be. If anything requirements is not fulfilled, then could be.
And also I want to highlight something I found in the inspector. Some inspectors are writing work done. That is. How can I work done? It's okay or not
Okay,
okay?
just
or-
we can see it with the inspector. Should be comment should be.
No, I have to write work done and found satisfactory or okay. For me, okay. But work done. There is maybe work done, but it's not satisfactory.
But check the second sentence. Right there.
Yeah,
Check the.
yes, it's
No, you are meaning that work is not satisfactory, but he's telling work done.
No,
No.
on the
To make it more clear.
right work done.
All clarification.
Do you want to know it's satisfied or
It's
not?
okay.
No, work done.
Okay, right like that. Exactly.
Make something a little
Yeah.
bit clear.
Yeah, it's fine, okay, or satisfactory, خلاص. But that,
Okay, so make more clear. Huh?
Okay. Professional. Yeah.
Elaborate.
yeah.
Okay, so now I believe it's clear. And lastly, QA reject. QA reject means only documentary. For example, everything is okay for you. But some documents missing.
Sorry to interrupt you. Sometimes there is a lot of WIR, so we can make to short code because we want to finish this.
No.
Within the
Best
time.
just
Within the
suggest.
time. If like 30, 40 requests, we don't have time, so how we?
No. I suggest some typical comments.
Yeah.
Put in the word.
To keep in the word.
Word, copy and paste, copy and paste.
Copy paste.
No, many. You can put, for example, 10 types of comments. Different comments. Mostly 80% will cover.
Even
Okay.
copy paste.
But if you write,
If you go for copy paste, you will write like
But
the
you can
text.
save in your mind. okay.
Jabrical, if you write directly, there is a two problems actually.
Yeah.
One is grammatical problem, spelling mistake,
Mistake.
and you cannot do. So best way to do it other place, check grammatical, everything correct, then copy and paste. Okay, next slide. Okay, relevant authority. I'm going very fast. I'll share the slide. Everybody can see what is the relevant authority. Yeah? Okay, relevant standard also. Everybody can see in the slide. These are relevant standard we are following. Now I'll go for the what is the problem or settlement of the backfilling. First problem, then we will go for the procedure. First photo. This is a other project actually. So you see this
In
in Al-Handasah, yeah. Yeah, you see that after asphalt, it is settled. Actually, backfill settled. And you see that this is the year actually. This is the year encasement. Encasement around this encasement.
And yes,
The car.
Okay. Okay, we don't know which project. It's a confidential. Okay. Okay. And this also said that around the manhole. Actually, we investigated. And most of the backfilling around the manhole. Be careful, compaction around the manhole. Be careful. So this also says left side around the manhole. Settled. Everything settled actually.
This during this the last storm, engineer.
Yes.
Yeah, last rain. Yeah. Next one. This also manhole around the manhole, and it is continuous. This is here. Gully.
This
Around.
engineer, that's right.
Yeah, asphalt.
That's a fault.
This asphalt base. Asphalt base.
Base code.
Base, yeah.
Not binder.
Asphalt base. Yeah. Okay.
You cannot see so.
Hassan, you told something.
This is prime code.
Prime code.
Wet mix layer.
This is prime code. Huh? Okay. Yeah. Before that, I want to tell something that this presentation is prepared with the help of Hassan and engineer. Sorry, Sharfatul. Huh?
Please share some picture when please share.
So Sharfatul has some inspection. That's why he left. Okay. Great job and thank you. Yeah. Sir, yeah. Okay. So.
You inspected this one?
yes.
No, okay. This is irrelevant. Which we don't know which project.
Yes.
Okay, leave it. This is for example to know that what is the problem may happen in our project too. Okay, so very careful. This also. This is this one. Inside manhole. Totally settled. That means backfilling. Backfilling is something is wrong. This is Hassan or what? Yeah.
No.
What is Fauzi? This is another one. Say after this one. Okay. So what we are doing, still we have time. Okay.
Yes.
So if we do it, we can avoid this kind of settlement. Next. Around the manhole. What I told you, around the manhole. Here done. It is hanging, almost floating. This road. Was you were telling something?
Actually, engineer, he told this whole team, where is the reason here for similar this case?
Yeah.
He reason for what?
They didn't see the storm.
Which one?
Reason.
Why is it?
You want to know
Why backfilling is happening?
No.
Because of the storm water. Because of the rain.
For rain.
No, yeah.
No, rain is not only at this.
Fauzi, Fauzi, just wait.
Yeah.
Just follow the sequence. We are coming. One by one.
Not for back for any contractor. It is for rain.
Okay.
Same thing I told you that it is the rain.
Yeah.
Rain? Rain.
Not very bad for
No.
quality. It is rain.
No, I'm coming.
3 days it continue rain. And also huh?
Snowfall.
Okay, Fauzi, we are coming. We are coming. What is the reason? Everything.
Give me the reason.
He will later.
بس
We are coming. Wait, please. Wait, please. Step by step, we are coming.
معلش معقول ايه؟
Oh, see, this type of backfilling, did you found in a natural area?
What?
The same after the rain, did you found any such type of settlement in natural
You
area?
don't know engineer what?
This is backfill. Yeah.
Storm, sewer,
No, Fauzi.
and decline
Yeah.
also inside the piping.
Okay, Fauzi, what I'm telling you.
No.
This is reason for the stormwater, but backfilling there is issue. Backfilling there is issue. All area not same, but we found that backfilling there is issue. So we are coming one by one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this also. Okay, next. This one. Yeah.
Come back again, please.
No, because the engineer, the activity didn't finish at that time. The work is nothing. That time.
Such as this.
Okay. Can you tell me? Can you tell me what is the reason for this one? Everything is different reason. What is the reason for this one?
The engineer, this is under construction still. That's why.
Exactly. What happened here? 40 rows.
Engineer is not backing properly.
Yeah.
Slow.
This is not for backfilling. This is a problem is that this was problem is that asphalt is done, but trench cutting not filled
Not felt.
because of the AADC approval was late. So this is every photo is different case. Okay.
Is it because
So-
of Taka?
Yes.
Taka did it.
We can tell that excavation is not completed, not filled.
Sequence of-
Okay, sequence of work is not done. We should ensure and like that. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, this also same actually. If you see here a trench was not filled.
Yes.
Trench was not filled. That's why this backfilling was seepage actually. We can tell seepage. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll come and we'll discuss here. So if backfilling material, when any imported backfill material, first we have to, when it is stockpiled, we have to submit MIR. Okay, so MIR. So one time should be MIR and every stockpile should be, there is, I believe, 3,000 cubic meter. We have to take the sample for the testing. Okay, so after testing, only after testing, this material can be used for backfilling. If there is no testing and the suitability test is not passed, we are not allowed to
Use
this material at site. Okay. Okay, so what we have to do when stockpile will come, that means we have to submit WIR, okay, WIR to collect the backfilling sample. What we are doing actually, Hassan, Sharfuddin is doing, collecting the sample and sent to the laboratory for testing. When testing report will be passed, then this material can be used at site. Okay. So this is a photo that collecting the sample. I believe who is this? So that and we have to when it will be collected. After that, there is a different identification mark. This mark we have to put.
They're not putting this.
Yeah. We have to put. Make sure that tell the NBH to put one by one. Okay.
This green one, approved one?
Yes.
Green one, approved one. Under review, I believe yellow one. Just check at site what is here. Okay, this is the QR code for the all sites. It must have. You get for the shop drawing, my method statement and material is submitted. All should be available. Just check randomly that all method statement is uploaded or not. Did you check anybody at site?
Yeah, I checked first time. What with the QR code there's.
QR code, huh? All site? Yeah, Imtiaz, your site is QR code is there?
Have it in Saad, but not
Okay.
on the summer.
Okay. And you see that.
Just.
Okay. And this type of identification mark and sticker should be there, huh? Sticker to identify functional material type. Now testing suitability test. What is suitability test? List of tests, particle size, that is sieve analysis first, then dry density, moisture content relationship, liquid limit, plasticity limit, CBR, and organic test. Okay, this type of test you have to do it. And then along with the construction water, already we collected sample, we have to know this water is there. Testing
I have a question about the construction water.
Yeah.
Now, suppose in some specifications, the load bearing layers, we are not supposed to use non-potable water, only potable water. But the tankers that they bring it's written non-potable, but the water they're filling inside them is potable.
And
Because they have these tankers on standby,
non-potable
non-potable.
water.
Okay.
And the water they're using is potable. They're filling from Taka or from.
Okay, so we can take the sample. If you have doubt, you have to take the sample. If test result passed, you can use. Yeah. Already we collected, I believe, 3 samples. One is here, Zakir 1, Obafar 1, and Sat. Okay. And it should be typically done. Now what we told, anybody has idea dry density moisture content?
Yes.
Yeah.
This factor test this one.
Yeah.
We need to find OMC and MDT from this point.
Finish what happened?
Add.
Okay, so this is basically for our material inspectors are checking.
Yes.
What happened, Nidesh?
By mistake.
By mistake? Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, this type of card show that maximum dry density. I believe it is everybody is not involved. So this is basically for material engineer. Just to know that in this way we are approving this one. Okay, we will go. California bearing test we are doing for the soil collected. California bearing test basically compared to the stone and what is the collected sample, what is the test result, the penetration of this year. Yeah. Okay. Now testing method, sample testing method. There is a 2 photo shown that we are doing BS standard BS 1377. This is a basically cylindrical sand replacement method. And second, we are doing for the ASTM 1556 sample method. The ASTM basically 150 or more. And BS, we have 150, we have 250. I believe this is the 250 thickness. So that's why in the layer we are doing 250, right? So this is the BS standard. So if anybody tell that 30, not possible because this size is 250. Okay, maximum size is 250.
For manhole 250 also. I think it's.
No, it is not related to manhole. Any backfilling maximum. If we go for BS, maximum 250 is allowed. Okay, more than 250 we cannot do it. Okay. Okay. Now the compaction test, we are doing 3 types of test. It is for general conception to increase the conception because contractors sometimes telling laser test, this test, nuclear test. So to have the idea. So there is a 3 comparison. What I told the BS 13779, what you are doing, this is a sand replacement testing, and this is maximum 250. ASTM 1556, it is basically 150 or nuclear test, what this is a maximum we can do 30, but this is not reliable or not accurate. So these two BS or ASTM, it is the accurate. It will give the accurate result. That's why we are following these 2, either BS or ASTM. Nuclear test is a huge bulk of testing. Then It's the approval of the consultant or client, then they go for this one. Alamara, I believe they are doing for
What's this machine? This nuclear.
nuclear test. What I know that there is a gamma ray they're passing, and it is very fast.
They are doing for the, for
It is-
the nuclear.
Yeah, this is not good for health. Yeah, it is actually.
Nuclear नहीं
Yeah.
अगर if one project there is 1,000 tests same time, so nuclear is faster. It's
Yeah.
just rays coming into the backfilling. It will scan and it will tell you the
By weight, by like this.
by rays.
By
Laser, like laser.
laser.
So it will scan how much compaction is there. It will tell you on the machine instantly. It's instant. So if you have
Instantly.
1,000 tests.
So if you see that duration, first one it is taking normally how many days taking? 1 day, right? 24 hours. Huh? 24 hours. Second one is 24 hours, but this is 1 to 4 minutes. Very faster. That's why bulk of projects, contractor wants. Our project also then they requested, but it's not accepted because this is not accurate actually. There is a lot of calibration has to do. Then we'll share the slide here. Okay. Other also there is a comparison you can check. It is for just for general understanding that 3 types of method.
ASTM, what is stand for?
America's standard.
American stand.
Yes.
Testing material.
Testing.
Yeah.
There is-
So generally it is the American system, the British system, and this nuclear system. Okay, so what I told you that BS 150 typical depth, but it can be for the large cylinder, it can be 250. AST 150, but sometimes it can be variable. Yeah, nuclear gas it is 300. Okay, now we have to know the soil. Actually, what is soil actually? Soil, now this is for to enhance our concept. So soil is basically what we see at site. This is what is gravel, sand, silt and clay, and silt and clay. Huh? So if you see there is actually this is, if I make zoom, it will be clear. So there is a percentage, more than 50% of gravel. This is the gravel. We can consider gravel. And less than, I believe, sieve analysis for is sand. So just read this one first. You will get clear idea, and other things also you can read. Okay. So which is gravel, which is sand, which is silt and clay, and other things. Okay. So when you go for the site, if you understand this one, then you understand that what is a gravel, sand, and what is their characteristics. Huh? Okay. If you see the sand normally the shape is like that. Generally shape is like that. Huh? So that's why when you put the water, it is rapidly it is going passing because it is round shape and there is a point. Huh? So this is the gravel, this is sand, silt, and clay. If you put water, if there is a clay, then water not pass, right? Because the particle or molecules is like that. Okay. So next photo is almost same. So it is like this one. Huh? If you put the water coming, and this is if you put the water, can you tell me why if you put the sand, why water is used? Can you tell me? Yeah, for the compaction, why water is used?
To fill the gaps between the sand.
Okay,
Because
I'm telling
there
you. Yeah.
is, no more space between the S compared to the other material.
Okay.
It's the
Hassan,
particle is small.
Can you explain why water is used during compaction?
It will increase the density, the amount of sound in a specific area. You remove the air and replace it by water and.
It will go
Yeah.
directly absorbed.
Okay, so one of the main reason is that if you put water, it will work as a lubricant. Huh? So when it is dry, it is sitting like that. When you put water, it will like lubricant. In the car, you are using mobile, right? Why using mobile? Because engine can rotate clearly. So same thing. If you put water, water will work as a lubricant. Then salt settle. When you push from a hammer or anything, or then it will compress. Huh? Okay, this one thing. Another thing that there is a air void. Air void will be fulfilled. What Hassan told actually. So these two reasons actually. Clay cannot do it, not much. There is something, but sand more because this is spherical and the gap is more. No? Okay. And second one is silt. Okay, so this you can check in the here slide. Okay, now one term is cohesive soil. Can you tell anybody what is cohesive soil?
Same like clay.
It's clay actually. Okay, cohesive soil means what is here? It is mentioned that cohesive soil is a fine-grained soil where particles stick together. That means what particles stick together. So when you spray water on the sand, what sand? Sand is not stable, right? It is spreading. Huh? Okay, but if you in the clay, if you put water, its shape is not changed actually, right? Because it is cohesive. So if you see that, that's why that if any sandy material, when you make the excavation, it is collapsed, right? But if clay material, it is not collapsed because the sand particle is cohesion of the or bonding of the between the particles. Okay, drained and undrained soil. Okay, drained, undrained soil. So drained soil means clay soil. If you put water, for example, we have pond, right? If you put clay, water will retain. But if you put gravel, for example, this is a aggregate, right? Or gravel. Okay. If you put water, it will pass, right? If you put the water in the sand, it will pass also, right? But if it is clay, it will retain. This law. It is just a general understanding. Yeah. Now, saturated soil. If you see that water is too much water, that means all particles are full of water. This saturation. During this saturation, what we saw before, that optimum moisture content. So if more than optimum moisture content, compression will not work. So that means this kind of soil we cannot make sample. We have to take the sample when water will be less. Okay. So this is saturated. Okay, this I already discussed, the lubrication, why sand compression is going on. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now gas soil. We are always talking about the gas soil, gas. We're talking, right? Everybody's talking gas. What is gas soil? Jose, what is gas soil? Or anybody?
Mixed material.
Natural. Sorry.
All are natural. All are natural. Sand also natural.
Some mix and clay and limestone.
Yeah. Yeah, gas basically Middle East country. They're using this word gas. Huh?
Mainly in Abu Dhabi area.
Yeah. So this is basically Middle East.
Difference gas and subgrade.
Subgrade is different. Subgrade is a term actually, a layer. Gauge is a soil. Type of soil.
This also needs the subgrade also needs. That's not a
The quite material also natural engineering.
No, all are natural actually. All are natural.
The physical properties for each one is different. You cannot identify it visually. Sometimes you have to go for testing to identify.
Yes, and you will
use it as upgrade or patch material. If you have,
it is different or same material?
Totally different. Subgrade is better for
Subgrade, yeah.
The CBR is
CBR.
CBR higher than subgrade.
yes.
Subgrade
Okay,
CBR.
after presentation, then we can discuss because this issue will come. Then I believe openly we can discuss. So gas soil, basically, if you see that in our cases, most of them are actually it is gas soil. Gas soil. What is gas soil? It should be mixed with sand, clay, and limestone. You're correct. Limestone. Sometimes there is a gypsum. If you go to Al-Sad, the color is white. You see. So why color is white? Because of gypsum. Okay. So mainly the gas soil, what you're telling, this is a soil, what is mixed with sand, clay, and limestone. If there is no limestone, it will collapse. It will not be stable. if you see that there is excavation is 90-degree angle, because this is a gas soil and this is a limestone. And the same limestone is used for the cement production. Cement production is mainly raw material is limestone. That's why the cement is burning. So here limestone here amount quantity is very less, but that's why it is very stable. Okay, there is some photo of the soil for the natural. Yeah. Okay, now we are coming to the layer by layer. This drawing, I believe everybody knows, right? This is shop drawing. Okay, so when stormwater is done, geotextile is done. This sewage, huh? Okay, it's above this is same, right?
Yes, above the same.
So after a year, the bedding of the pipes, so then dune sand will start, right?
Yes.
Dune sand will be not here, it is 250 actually, is mentioned. So every layer is dune sand layer is 250, right? 250, that means we have to go BS, right? BS 13779. So after dune sand, last two layers, if it is, it will be type B material. Type B material, it should be 150 by 2 layers. 2 layers or 4 layers? 2 layers, it will be for the a new road, right? It is mentioned dune sand layer 250, okay. Embankment layers 150 compaction till 900 millimeter bill subgrade level. And for the existing road, it will be 600. So from here, 2 will be subgrade. So Imtiaz, now you come to the point actually. Huh? So this is subgrade. Subgrade is not it's a matter of soil. Subgrade is a layer dam. So that means under subbase, there is a subbase, right? The road base, subbase, subgrade. So subgrade is the name of the layer. It not depend on the what type of soil. Huh? What type of soil, there is a specification requirement. So subgrade is the under subbase. So subgrade will be 2 layer, 150, 150. Under this one, this is type B material, severe 20%. It can be 2 layers, it can be 4 layers. 2 layers, it will be if existing road. And if it is
2 layer for new road.
Yeah, for new road, 6.
Okay, sorry. 2 layer for new road. And existing road, it will be 4 layers.
And what is this? Can you go please?
Yeah, what did they call me?
First test layer 100 mm for pipelines.
Okay. So this is a manhole to manhole.
Every 100 linear meter, there should be minimum one test.
Yeah.
In the trench.
Okay, so this follow ITP, what is mentioned. Now come to the most, I believe this drawing everybody knows. Okay. So if you see this is in this drawing, you have any questions or anything?
Engineer, what about the plot area after embankment layer? How many centimeters we will do here now?
Which
and
is
the left side area here
yeah.
now. How here the same place? How many centimeters we will do here filling?
How many centimeters?
Yeah, after the embankment. Wait, here they mentioned 250. But now contractors say they agreed on 50.
No, it is agreed with engineer Saddam when because contractors want to expedite the work. Okay. So our maximum layer as per BS, what I show you that as per BS, more than 250 we cannot do it.
But they will do now. Can we?
Yeah. Huh?
Can we continue like this with the 50 centi?
No, not 50 centi. They will do 250, and they will not for our testing. They will do next 250. 250.
One time.
Not one time. It should be 2 times.
Okay.
But they will not wait for our inspection.
No, they will spray the water and roller compaction or without it.
No, there should be everything. Everything should be done.
But
Except
without our inspection.
Inspection.
Yeah.
So it should be 2 layers. So what we'll do, we'll go for the mock-up. They will do only for mock-up for this shorter area. We'll go for the top layer testing, and there should be box out. Okay. You know box out. Huh?
Yeah.
Box out. We'll go for the bottom one.
They test them.
Bottom one. So if both test results are passed, then they can follow this one. It is their responsibility. If bottom is failed, then they have to re-excavate again.
Yes, for the mock-up they will do for you, they will first get the result, but normally they will not do like this 50, 25, they will do one time 50 centilayer. Who will control this?
If the deep test will fail, they have to remove.
That deep test failed, then they have to do again. So this is for expedite. Municipality also agreed. If mock-up is approved, then they can proceed. If mock-up is approved, they can proceed.
But this only for
Mock-up already approved?
outside the road area, not in the road. Yes?
Yeah, outside road
In
area.
plot area.
In the plot area only.
Yeah,
Plot
And plot
area
area.
above the embankment layers.
after embankment, yeah,
Below the embankment, 25 to 25.
25.
Okay, this also. Okay, now come. What is the question? Jose. Now we can go for the I believe this is the
And soil engineer also embankment layer. Here they mentioned 15, 15 centi. Now they agreed on 30.
20, 25.
no 25.
Embankment layer, same.
15
Yeah,
per catch.
Which one?
Yeah, here,
This
the
one?
same place, yeah. Here they mentioned 150, 15 centi layer. Now they agreed on 30 centi or 25.
25. Not agreed. It is depends on mock-up. 25, no problem. That means 150 ASTM, 250 BS. We don't have any problem if it's 250. But we need the test result passed. FBT should be
They will
95.
use here,
Optimum moisture content, maximum brine
but that
density.
one they will use BS standard.
BS.
Yes, not not one time 25 centi one layer. Layer by layer, but once one layer.
No contractor will do
Second,
25.
No, first time we do 25.
There you go.
Okay, now I'm going to the photos. Okay. Okay, this we encountered other projects. Okay, so Jose was here at the year. So what is our finding? Most of the settlement was happened around the manhole. Okay, around the manhole, and all road are not done.
But there is no one in the area.
And most of them. This is the encasement. That means same actually. Here is theory same. That. So why it is happened? Because the narrow area, they did not do the backfilling properly. Some places they did the sand backfilling. Somewhere they did not do the sand backfilling. Wherever the sand backfilling done, settlement was not done.
Yeah, see your picture good.
Yeah.
I should picture.
They fail one time. Too much deep. Yeah.
That's why in the confined area, around the manhole, around the encasement, Fauzi knows very well. So it is a confined area. Most of the people thinking confined area maybe 60, 50 centi or 40 centi. No need to do anything. But this is very important. If you see,
too much complicated place.
most of the settlement was around the manhole.
Around the manhole.
Yeah. So make sure it will be layer by layer. And even put water, after putting water, they have to do, it's better, hammering. That's why the theory, what is telling actually, if you put water during the lubricant, it like work as a mobile. So it will settle down, but it will not settle down fully. If you make the hammer, then it will be 100%. That's why actually, Fauzi, I'm telling you, come here.
Sorry
Yeah.
for the question. Now we have 11 area or 12 area, inshallah.
Yeah.
Okay, and we have 6 or 7.
Yeah.
And the length between here and the office and this site very long. How we control this point?
This activity because our distance between office and site.
What's happening because of that field?
Yeah.
How we can control?
No, your point is very valid.
Yes.
And this is the challenge of the multiple areas.
Yes.
Because if you want to go outside, it is maybe taking more than 30 minutes.
Yes. This one out.
Yeah.
That's not 1 hour.
Some 1 hour 20 minutes.
If you want to reach here, he will stay only in the.
That's why one site office should be there. Site office. One site office should be there.
This only, all people know which one is the problem because of sequence of
Exactly.
sequence of backfeeding like this.
There is no proper
So we
backfilling.
control this. Only we have one solution. Take step action. Once we catch this, we have to take
Direct
catch.
issue in NCR.
NCR
They
direct.
will not do again like this.
We can't go discussion. What's the benefit?
Exactly. Around the manhole backfilling or around the encasement backfilling, whatever, this we no tolerance, zero tolerance, because very bad experience.
Yes.
Very bad experience in the previous one. So
Yes,
there is no, they'll do two layers together. No, triple layer by layer.
Cannot take action, then they are backfilling one time. They don't care.
Yeah. Verbally,
No, if they don't care, issue NCR, issue as word.
That's what also they are. Don't care.
SCR,
So now what happened actually?
WIR and reject the subsequent
Yeah.
WIR.
Now what happened actually? This ultimately
The
contract.
payment
Yeah.
come on the track.
Ultimately contractor submit.
Now, now you reject this WR.
Yeah.
And he didn't stop the work. And we
No
all
problem.
1 minute. We all sit here and he knows no one can stop the work.
No, but Walid, this
Yeah,
problem.
There's discussion between us.
yeah, it is internal discussion. You are right, engineer. He is saying if we reject the WR and they proceed the work same like.
No. I'm telling you my opinion. These problems contractors suffer too much. Fosinos, too much. They double work.
Yes.
Okay, their construction manager knows.
Because
I'm sure maybe foreman.
It's very critical.
So I believe NBH knows very well this one, and they will.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
first time he give to Iswara, whatever he give to Iswara in the WI what? WI rejected. He told close the NCR Iswara. He rejected. No issue. What issue? No issue.
From our side, they will reject.
That's all.
Yeah.
Because
Any area Iswara, all WI reject. No, it is rules.
It is like this.
No.
He's right. Coach is right.
No. Any approval for WIR, it is a problem for me.
No. Before doing this one, Fauzi, just you were right. I want.
Activity not anymore. He before close it. It's rules.
But rejection doesn't mean that you will not do inspection. Do inspection. But reject the WIR.
No, Irfan, I just want to add before. Fauzi, I want to just add say before rejection, check with ARE. Check with ARE.
Engineer, we are receiving WR after 3 weeks and they are be filling it some 3 weeks before. What is the benefit of rejection?
He follow his close.
No, then don't go for advanced inspection. Don't go for, if it is 3 weeks, they have to submit within one day.
Now, Abu Samra is doing backfilling work there. I didn't receive this WR. Can I go to stop the machinery? What can I do? They are still they are doing.
Don't go for
other side.
Don't go for advanced inspection. And no more. If it is like that, you have to stop advanced inspection. Advanced, what is it telling? Advanced inspection they are doing.
No, Humayun is saying that they're doing the backfilling layer, backfilling of the plot. Okay, and then
No, it is not my.
yes, I know, but
This,
in general,
General, we are discussing.
okay.
We are receiving the WR letter.
Yes.
So regarding the backfilling of manhole of this failure.
Yes.
Okay, once they finish the backfilling, then we are receiving WR. Then we are rejecting. What is the benefit of this delaying? Once the work is done, no benefit.
No, say backfilling layer by layer, WR no need, right?
That's around. There's backfilling is around.
no, it's separate, not together. No. Listen, there is for backfilling, there is separate issue. There is FDT. If the FDT fails, they will automatically know that it is failed. Okay. But for not having the WR, don't inspect. Tell them that you are not giving the WR.
Come to my control. We need to control.
Which point only?
لا we need to control. We need to avoid this mistake. How we can avoid?
Now this previous project, what happened? They already did the manhole first.
Okay.
Manhole. So this year, what is around the manhole your concept, right?
Surround.
Surrounding manhole, they have to do in presence of us. We'll monitor. It will not be many cases.
Engineer, we will
Yeah.
monitor, but authority know regarding these cases.
Mhm.
Maybe certain visit authority will also do about this big filling surrounding this mill. So maybe they will catch us also. We have to do this.
No, we have to, no need to go for 3. We have to control by ourselves. We have to control by ourselves. I'm sure at site it will not be many
It's
issues.
very difficult to witness backfilling for all money.
No, Walid, for example,
I'm sorry,
no, I'm telling you, in your area, how many manhole on the road?
All
All
the
the people is coming under
How many?
Not only manual,
All
not only manual,
Maybe 10, 15.
Huh?
not only
10, 15, but all together they will not do actually. Maybe you would case maybe 3 or 4.
No, but now the backfilling,
Hmm.
they're doing one layer backfilling.
Yes.
You are going to check. The material is going to check.
who will go to check. Now we said there is no
Why?
WR for backfilling
So
surround.
it's visual, sir. It's layer sheet. There is a layer sheet. There is FDT. You are taking FDT for
Who is checking this?
I am going to check. If there is backfilling in my area, I am going to check. I am checking the water till 25 centi.
This for the bench.
For the manual also. Same Zafar is doing. Same everyone has to do.
Regarding one thing.
No, now including actually. Now there is no separate applier for around the manhole. It is all together actually.
Let me say this one.
But everybody should, when will go for backfilling,
One thing will.
yes, when you go for inspection request, check especially for around the manhole. Check especially for around the manhole.
We just saw photos where
Yeah.
they were checking. This is
Yeah.
our site.
Yeah.
They were checking near the manhole. Sir, the material inspector is going. He is asking them to dig a hole to see the water if it's gone 25 centi. Then depends on his judgment if he wants to take the FDT or not. FDT is not compulsory for dune sand because they will know if there's water, it will pass for sure. Okay, the compaction is there. So everyone is checking. Sometimes I'm checking, sometimes the material inspector is checking. If you don't check, then the contractor is going to not be under control. But if you keep checking, 10 days, 11 days, if you don't check, they will keep doing the same thing, no problem. Because they are scared, you will check.
this failure because of
Yeah,
the filling.
by checking you can control the
Yes,
surely.
And they are saying also inspector is
Then how will you control?
laboratory
WR?
inspector is checking result. Why it's failed?
Sir, no contractor will not wait for you for the
Yeah.
surround the
Why?
I'm sure.
They are waiting for
Wait.
every every
Yeah,
layer.
just wait until they reach to this
Hello?
road work.
Okay.
You will see.
This initial stage
So,
Oh,
now
okay,
they are doing.
how
They
do
will
you,
press you.
okay, how do you suggest they will control this?
34 huh?
Any mistake,
चलो
you should make
सर्वे
drama.
वाला check करेगा।
This is my way. Only one.
Now,
Listen. Solution.
give a solution. How
You want
can you
solution,
control?
I said,
How?
I said any mistake like this, anyone can, you
What
should
mistake?
blame. You should blame
No,
anyone.
what
Blame and reject and issue
Yes.
NCR.
In some other site, okay, they're going 1 meter together. Okay. But in South, till now, they did not backfill more than 1 layer together. So how will we control this? Okay, the contractor is doing layer by layer properly.
Okay.
We are testing. Okay. So how will we control
When,
that?
when once the completion date near,
Every
Only
layer,
six-
every layer. They're right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every layer to be inspection.
Exactly.
And they
The inspector is inspecting, the material is
They will
inspecting.
take a
everyone.
sheet. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, he will sign any inspector. Then-
If they are doing like this continuously, it's good. But if they do,
But must be there before that means
Why
we need to record this meeting.
tell to survey,
I know what will happen.
tell to survey, right there.
What
When
will
this
what will happen?
clear, our contractor will not, yeah.
No, so how will we control this? When it will happen, then we can think about it. If it did not happen, how will you think about it?
Afraid, not to worry, afraid from your risk,
Okay.
afraid from your action.
Okay.
This is the only solution.
Engineer Hassan here.
Wallahi, only one solution. The contractor should afraid,
Okay.
not worry, afraid
Okay.
from your action. If I backfill this now, Imtiaz will come and catch me, I will terminate.
Okay.
He will terminate him. He will terminate him. Only one
he
solution.
is saying like this.
Control, WIR, report, all of this, you will not, you can't control. This is my
Okay, Walid, I want to know that during the backfilling inspection, testing is done by material engineer.
Yes.
But inspection is done by you, right?
Yes, we are checking.
So it is both should
Both.
check around the manholes. Both should check.
We are checking. If
Normally, I'm telling you, normally they don't want to, the vibrating roller, right? They don't want to go for the adjacent area.
yes.
This is a problem actually. If you see visually, it is not.
using roller for
Engineer.
Dunes are not
Yeah.
using roller.
No, Dunes they're not.
They are
They're
not
not
using, but they
I
have
am
to
generally-
use plate compactor also there.
For Johnson?
Yeah.
No, no.
Surrounding them in hole.
For Dunes and
No,
what is going
No,
on?
Dunes
There is no point, Dunes. But
Fully
this
filled
what
up.
you're saying is in the future if they make a mistake,
Except
sir.
compactor.
أيوة.
If they make a mistake, we will think about it. But now, if you think about it, there is no.
They will make mistake.
When they make,
yeah.
They will make.
when they make, we will think about it. No problem. We have so many meetings now. The day they make mistake, we'll keep meeting.
एक बार अभी बैठ गए
Now after the Dunes end, E will come. Type B material will come,
Yes.
right?
Then they will do compaction properly, 15, 15, 15. They will use the roller. They will use
Exactly,
everything
exactly.
properly.
And there's another thing which ones.
Yeah.
You said in this project, they started execution for the curb stone and the plain concrete and the road work without finishing
The trench.
Yeah.
It's very important. Sequence of.
Yeah. Now this we cannot.
Inshallah,
We cannot.
control.
Yeah,
Inshallah,
we cannot control.
Inshallah.
This one actually we cannot blame contractor
أيوة.
because they did not receive the final drawing. That's why this is not
No,
contractor.
sometimes the work is done and they just remind, oh, there is a one duct. So they again re-excavate the
Exactly.
Yeah, they forgot some
This is
duct.
part of construction anyway.
This
But
one also.
this one is a little bit special because there was a rain in the same time.
yes yes
But usually
I,
nothing happens.
sorry, I will tell you something, but this only still. My last project, I attend this storm mode. Last project. Wallahi, nothing happened like this. And we finished asphalt. I will show you. Only one area, this was rehabilitation sewage network. This was Wasim and Zahid. This another area, this 380, this another project. Our project is Barari and Faida. Asphalt all lit, all area. And we didn't find like this.
because
We
already
didn't make any.
because already water is there that's why not affected yes
لا لا والله لا sequence of work يا الله
Sequence of work is very important.
والله العظيم
No, but this is
up to be.
there is water or not
But why?
There
Because
is
the
what-
response, wallahi response. Anyone from the contractor made mistake, we all blame them. And we terminated 3 people.
لا لا you're a hero. Your team.
Yes.
terminated.
Is there any other question, any other discussion? Everybody is going.
Thank you so much.
Fauzi, you
One
have
more-
any other comment? Yeah,
No,
comment.
One thing, Walid,
Yeah.
Walid, this is related to you
No.
also. The hydrostatic test now, the procedure that they told me is going on. It is going on that now we are getting the test sheet from the contractor. Okay, we are going with joint inspection with AECOM. I'm signing it. AECOM is signing it. Okay, I'm coming back to the office. I'm scanning it. I am uploading it with the.
No. It should be done by contractor.
It's mandatory to attach this hard copy on a site.
Yes,
It's mandatory.
No, consultant no need.
not consultant, contractor.
That's it. That's all.
خلاص no need.
Exactly.
No, one more thing. One more thing. No, one more thing. Now,
FDT, what do you do? Same FDT.
Hard copy to
no, listen.
Yeah, okay.
This is not our DC's responsibility to keep record of this hard copy.
No.
This is the contractor's responsibility.
Yes.
What he's telling me is that AECOM wants the hard copy. That is not logical because the contractor will keep record of the works and the approvals and everything. What is AECOM going to do with the paper or the hard copy? It doesn't make sense.
No. AECOM, how they are getting the copy? Hard
We are
copy.
sending the
Who is
scanned
giving?
copy.
We are giving.
Yes.
Okay,
That is okay.
you can give him
Scan copy
scan copy.
or
Give
a
him.
photocopy,
But
not the original
A site, it will be uploaded by contractor.
contractor. And the contractor will keep the
They need to go to
on his
site.
site.
Huh? No, finish.
And the contractor will keep the hard copy, not us.
Give me final,
Give code B, attach signed test report and comply to AECOM comments. Khalas. Code B.
Exactly. We will not attach anything.
Yeah,
We will not attach any-
you have
Give the The QC should come take the results from you. He will handle everything.
Just better to keep record in our side.
Yes, we want to keep record. This is secondary, but not compulsion.
Yes, ignore it. Yes, ignore, but keep the record.
Quickly.
يا ابني يا ابني يا ولد والله
I mean,